And yes, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on the stage our reigning winners, Mr. and Miss BODOLAN. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज वो स्टेज पर आ जाए. फाइनलिस्ट का एंड ऑल्सो हमारे सीजन 2 के मिस्टर मिस बोडोलैंड का। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी इस मंच पे मिस्टर अभिजीत सिन्हा।
I must tell you that it has been a wonderful evening with this lovely audience. But I request everybody, can we cheer up for all these stunning top 6 Mr. and Miss BODOLAN contenders? The main behind this crown, the crown which you're wearing, girls, ladies, this is your night. And also the one which is, just about to start a journey, all right? This crown is a lot of responsibilities which you can't buy, which is something you have to earn it. The initiative by Arunai Entertainment has been really instrumental in taking forward so many students, children from BODOLAN to the next level. I would like to invite for the final time on stage, the man behind, Jaiklong Basumatari. Jaiklong, can I have you here? I still remember when Jaiklong started with Mega Mr. Northeast in Guwahati. I really saw that dream and the confidence in a Bodo young boy. And he is here tonight, and with making this third edition wouldn't have been possible, ladies and gentlemen, without your support. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cheer up for Arunai Entertainment. Thank you, Jaiklong. My blessings, my support will always be there with you. I really love the land, I won't mention so much, but the energy, that has been provided by this land. And also, I have seen like so many young girls who couldn't speak Bodo, but don't mind. Somebody who have spoken Bodo, I couldn't understand, but I can understand the feel, You really gave up the goosebumps like. It was really educational for us. Thank you, boys and girls. It's not that we teach them, it's that they also have taught us. Ladies, you have been wonderful. A stunning reign, you have made it. Boys, amazing. I must tell that, Pranay, can you come please forward? Again, along with Jaiklong, we have another, I must tell a very strong artist who's coming up. An artist, what should I tell? A choreographer, should I tell what? But I am telling you, Pranay Owari, one of his discoveries of Arunai Entertainment, is brilliantly doing workshops in choreography, ramp walk training. He has a sense of techniques, pageants, kaise hote hai, kaisa karna hai. I must tell you, ladies and gentlemen, to all the parents here who are really proud of your children on stage at the moment, I must tell you this also, if you really want to take forward your